Hi guys, so we're going to do a quick art journal spread. This is in my planner, my altered junk planner. So this is a page where I'll show you here. So we did this one together, right? Okay, and then I'm going to do this page. So I have this, which is a vintage kind of arithmetic book. So we're going to add that first. Has discounts, which I think is really interesting. So, like what it says. And I am reopening my Etsy shop, so if you're interested, I will have things like this in there, like little packs of ephemera, mostly from vintage book pages and that kind of thing, because they have the most beautiful ephemera that you can use. So I think that that is gorgeous. Okay, and then I found this prayer, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm actually going to maybe find a way to highlight it. It's really pretty. Oops. And this might be the last little bit of glue in this glue stick, I think. Yeah, I think we're getting close. I see the black thing. The black thing. You know, like when it's like, nope. Like that. Just like that. Wonderful. Okay, and then we'll have, let's see, washi tape. I love black polka dots. I love black and white washi tape. It's probably my favorite. So let's add some of that, I think, on the bottom here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I think that I will leave the butterfly. I think I want to do some stenciling, so I have some gold paint here. Oops, I should give that a shake. Shake, shake, shake it up. This is my Deco Arts paint. It's champagne gold, which is one of my favorite colors. It's really pretty. It's like a really soft gold color. Let's see here. And I am using, oops, I don't think I shook that up. It has no color. It's really light in general, but I don't think I got any color out there. That looks about right, but I don't know. Let's see. I don't think that's right. Come on, pigments. Get shaken up. Okay. Well, guys, I think we'll have to use another color because for some reason the pigment is not coming down. So, which is very strange. I've never had that problem before, but let's switch to another color. So I'm just going to kind of go through my paints really quick here. Let's use this coppery color. Worn penny. It's not what I was planning, but that's how it usually comes out. I probably did something funny to it, which I have been known to do. Okay, so let's do this. We'll get our makeup sponge, remove most of it, just like that. And I think that I want to do the roses. I think I'm going to do them all across here. But I might have to move the stencil a little bit. Dip in more paint. Just like that. Something smells good. It's almost breakfast. I think that there's some cooking happening in my house right now. Yum. I totally forgot to put the top on that. See, this is how things happen. because I have a horrible memory and I get totally in the process and then I forget things. Bad shimmy. Oh, that looks great. Okay, so I love that. I really, really do. Maybe let's add an entire rose here. Just because we can. Oops, do I have any more paint there? I don't want to squeeze any more out, but I think that's what I shall do. Oh, it's on the tissue paper. Oh, I get it. So it doesn't soak as beautifully as it does into the things. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, let's do another one too. Odd numbers, odd numbers. That's the way to go. Let's do one more. A little bit squirt. You only need a little bit of paint when you stencil. Just a little, just a touch. Can be a little tricky to learn though. How much paint? Okay. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, tap on here. Oh my gosh. I swear, if my head was not attached. Oh, I can't believe that. Shimmy. And then I'm like, why isn't this paint working? Why is it dried out? And then I don't know what I did with it. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Okay. Where do I want that? I kind of like that. Like, because it intersects. Oops. Let's maybe do some here. A little bit of washi tape there. Oops. Rip diddy rip rip rip. There we go. Oh, I love that. Very cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this down. I don't think I'm going to put it on the napkin because I will rip it, and that is not fun. Okay, so we'll do that like so. So pretty. Wonderful. Okay, and then what else should we do? I want to highlight this, but how do I want to do that? Let's see if there's something that I can use. To highlight it. No. Maybe I will try to do some type of doodle. And I think that's what I will do because it makes me feel uncomfortable to say that. So I think we have to push past, right, our discomfort. So every time I'm uncomfortable with something, I know that that's probably what I should do. Okay, let's see here. At least most of the time, like when it comes to art, I think you have to push your boundaries a little bit. Okay, so let's try. Because it means that I don't want to make a mistake, which is not good. Okay, so let me see here. Do I want to do like a box? Or what I kind of have in my mind is something like this, maybe with scallops. Okay, and then I'm going to glue this down too. let's just use good old-fashioned Elmer's. That's what I have close, that's what we'll use. They need something else there to highlight the writing. So I have to think about that a little bit. Maybe, Very good. And you can probably hear my noisy family. It's Saturday when I'm making this video, so they're all home. Right here. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, just like that. Oh, that is so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. Okay. I don't know how smart that is to have something that bulky, but that's okay there. But that's alright. We're going with the flow right now. Okay, so what can I do? I kind of like this too. We're gonna probably going a little crazy here, but I saw it. I think it'll be pretty on here. Can I do it there maybe? Figure out what I'm going to do with this baby. I wonder if, because this is a little bit, I wonder if it will still give me the glittery. That's why, you know what, I left the top off, so there's a big wad of paint. That's what I did. So that's why it's not incorporating, because I messed it up. Because I did leave the top off of this one. Dad, show me. Okay, so let's see. But it does have a little bit of sparkle, so maybe we'll add that. Kind of shine things up a little bit. I think that'll be good. So that it's special. This part is special. And I probably should have tested this before, because in old books sometimes you can get smearing. So probably not the best choice, but that's okay. Let's see here. I wonder if I can do... I should wait for that to dry. Probably should. Okay. This is the one that I left the pen cap off of. Let's see. Ooh, there's like a coppery one too. That might be pretty. Let's maybe try that. Yeah. Okay, I like that better. I'll just do some dots. I like dots anyway. That's what we'll do. And then it's kind of glittery and it brings attention to it. Cool. Wow, that looks awesome. So I love it. I think it looks really cool. Very cool. So I'm going to bring it up nice and close so you can see. Very pretty. I'm going to leave it open for a long time though. But I love that prayer. I think it's so pretty. And then this one. And that's it, guys. We have an art journal page in 15 minutes. And hope and love. Those are good to remember. I'm going to go ahead and smear this too. I'll have a glittery under paper that I can use for something. So very pretty. I love it. Actually, maybe I'll add a little bit to my wings of my butterfly. We'll make her sparkle a little bit too. I'm glad I got to use her. Very good. Alrighty, guys. So I'm going to go have some breakfast. I hope that you're having a great day. And I will see you guys next time. I'm sure there'll be more work in this gorgeous altered junk journal book, junk planner book, but it's been really fun and I'm really enjoying using it. As you can see, I did not let things dry, so it did pull away a little bit, but that's okay. And I like having the words show. I think it makes it really interesting. So thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you later. I hope you do something creative for yourself today because it's so important. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.